you ever considered using a famous household cleaning product for bedbugs? Today, we're speaking about a readily available and cheap solution for bedbugs, MrClean. Let's get started. Does MrClean work against bedbugs? The compounds commonly present in MrClean products include surfactants such as sodium lauryl sulfate, detergents, and several other ingredients. These products are primarily formulated with the intent of effectively eliminating grease, grime, and dirt from various surfaces. However, these surfactants and detergents, due to their chemical properties, have the ability to penetrate and to disrupt the protective waxy layer of bedbugs. This disruption can result in the bedbugs becoming vulnerable to dehydration, ultimately leading to their demise. Additionally, after using MrClean products, residual odours or residues may linger, which bedbugs will find unpleasant, potentially creating a repellent effect. How to use MrClean for bedbugs. Step 1. Prepare a MrClean solution. Mix equal parts of MrClean household cleaner and hot water in a container. Enhance the effectiveness of your MrClean solution by adding a few drops of essential oils like tea tree, lavender, or eucalyptus oil. Scientific research, such as studies conducted by Virginia University, confirms that essential oils possess natural antifungal and antimicrobial properties, making them effective in repelling insects and bedbugs. By incorporating these essential oils, you can increase the repellent properties of your DIY spray. Step 2. Treat washable surfaces. Soak a washcloth in the MrClean solution and use it to wipe down washable surfaces in the affected room. Ensure thorough coverage. Step 3. Treat the mattress and box spring. Spray the MrClean solution generously on both the mattress and box spring, ensuring thorough coverage. It's important to allow the treated surfaces to dry completely. To maximize the effectiveness of the treatment, it's recommended to refrain from using the mattress for a few weeks. The waiting period allows the solution to penetrate deeply into the fabric, eliminating any remaining bedbugs or their eggs that may be present. Step 4. Address other hiding places. Spray the MrClean solution on other potential hiding places for bedbugs, such as the headboard, cracks and crevices, and anywhere where these pests may conceal themselves. Ensure thorough coverage in these areas to effectively target any bedbugs present. An effective option is to apply food-grade diatomaceous earth. This natural substance works by mechanically disrupting the bedbugs' outer layer, leading to their dehydration, which will inevitably kill them. So in conclusion, check out the description for a link to the most affordable and effective bedbug traps on the market. These bedbug traps are affordable, chemical-free, and will effectively prevent bedbugs from biting you. See you soon, bedbug fan.